Merhaba lil kulhat, Yosemite Myron. Welcome everyone, my name is Myron. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the words for all the different modes of transport in Maltese. So let's get started. Number 1, carrozza, 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 which, as you can hopefully tell by the image at the bottom of the screen here, and the English word above it, is how we say car in Maltese. Now, let's take a look at the next one. Rota, 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 which means bicycle in Maltese. Ferrovia, ferrovia, train. Daisa, daisa, daisa. Aeroplan, aeroplan, aeroplan. Motor, motor, motor. Carrozza tal-linja, or charabanc. So that's carrozza tal-linja or charabanc. Carrozza tal-linja, charabanc. Truck, truck, truck. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Vapor, vapor, vapor. And by the way, if you're finding this vocabulary really fun to learn, then why not take it a step further and download my free ebook from the description below, which contains all of the most popular Maltese words. This will really speed up how quickly you can start speaking Maltese confidently in real life scenarios with the locals and friends and family. Now, let's take a look at the next mode of transport. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Lancia, lancia, lancia. Ballon tal-ajra, ballon tal-ajra, ballon tal-ajra. Sottomarine, sottomarine, sottomarine. Scooter, scooter, scooter. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Tractor, tractor, tractor. Now, if you want to transport yourself from somebody who is currently on this island right here, where you haven't been able to find any useful material online for learning Maltese and have been feeling really disconnected from your Maltese heritage or the local Maltese people, to someone who lives really happily on this island, where you feel a part of the Maltese community and can conversate with friends and family on a deeper level than you ever have been able to before, just like my student Efren has been able to do, then I'd really advise you to join my online Maltese language program, which contains on-demand lessons and a private community with other Maltese students. And you can access all of this from the link in the description below. In fact, let me tell you what Efren had to say about the course, having been enrolled for over 3 weeks now. I never thought the day would come. Finally, there is a modern resource online for learning Maltese. Myron has made it so simple and fun to learn with the on-demand lessons. Grazie hafna. So, to you watching this video, I really hope to see you in the program. And if not just yet, then I'll see you in the next video. Narak dalwat. See you soon.